Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we dive deep into the world of modern military technology. In today's video, we're going to explore the top 5 most advanced military drones that are changing the way wars are fought in 2025. These cutting-edge drones aren't just eyes in the sky anymore, they are powerful, intelligent, and capable of delivering devastating firepower and vital surveillance on the modern battlefield. Stay with us till the end to find out which drone tops the list. Let's get started with number 5. At number 5, we have the Elbit Systems Hermes 900. This Israeli-made drone has gained popularity across several nations due to its versatility and long-endurance capabilities. It can stay airborne for over 36 hours and is equipped with multi-role sensors, high-definition surveillance cameras, and laser-guided munition systems. The Hermes 900 has been used extensively in real combat situations, providing real-time intelligence and strike capabilities. Its modular design allows easy upgrades, making it one of the most reliable unmanned systems in service today. Coming in at number 4 is the Bayraktar Akinci from Turkey. This next-generation unmanned combat aerial vehicle has been a game-changer in regional conflicts. It can fly at altitudes of over 40,000 feet and carry an impressive weapons payload, including precision-guided bombs and cruise missiles. What makes Akinci unique is its AI-supported flight systems, which allow it to conduct complex operations with minimal human control. It also carries electronic warfare systems, air-to-air missiles, and can even act as a communication relay platform, making it a highly valuable asset in modern asymmetric warfare. Number 3 on our list is the famous XQ-58A Reaper from the United States. A veteran of battlefields in the Middle East and Africa, the XQ-58A Reaper is renowned for its high endurance, high-altitude surveillance, and precision strike abilities. Capable of carrying Hellfire missiles, laser-guided bombs, and advanced reconnaissance pods, the Reaper has transformed how the U.S. military conducts targeted operations. With improved sensors, upgraded engines, and increased weapons load, the 2025 variant of the XQ-58A continues to serve as a lethal, reliable combat platform around the world. At number 2, we have China's CH-7 Rainbow stealth drone. The CH-7 is a heavy, high-altitude, long-endurance stealth drone designed to penetrate contested airspace and strike high-value targets. Shaped like a flying wing, much like the US B-2 bomber, the CH-7 has reduced radar visibility, making it highly survivable in enemy air defense zones. Armed with precision-guided munitions and advanced surveillance equipment, the CH-7 is part of China's rapidly expanding drone warfare capability. It can detect and strike at strategic targets while evading radar systems, providing China with a strategic advantage in potential conflicts. And finally, claiming the number 1 spot is the XQ-58A Valkyrie from the United States. This cutting-edge combat drone, developed by Kratos Defense, represents the future of unmanned warfare. The XQ-58A is an experimental stealth drone capable of flying alongside manned fighter jets like the F-35. Designed for high-speed, high-altitude missions, it can carry a variety of weapons, perform electronic warfare, and conduct reconnaissance. Its unique ability to act as a loyal wingman drone for piloted aircraft makes it one of the most revolutionary military technologies in service today. In future conflicts, drones like the Valkyrie will likely lead the charge, with manned aircraft providing command and control from a distance. As warfare evolves rapidly in 2025, these advanced military drones are proving that unmanned systems are not just support tools but critical, frontline weapons of modern combat. From stealth strikes to intelligence gathering and electronic warfare, drones are reshaping military strategy across the globe. That wraps up our list of the top 5 most advanced military drones changing warfare in 2025. Which one impressed you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating content on modern military technology. See you in the next video.